GPT supports using images as part of the prompt, called GPT Vision, making it an ideal tool for image recognition or OCR, with an accuracy much higher than any counterpart in the market. In this video, we will introduce some common and practical use cases of image recognition using GPT. With the simple code introduced, you will be able to integrate this powerful tool into your application easily. Since we will use the OpenAI APIs directly, we need to install the SDK on our computer first, preferably in a virtual environment. After that, we need to set the OpenAI_API_key environment variables so the APIs can be authenticated automatically in our code. GPT Vision can accurately identify the items in an image. Let's use GPT-4o to identify the items in this image. We can also use the latest GPT-4o Mini to save cost, which gives similarly good results in most cases. We need to provide a user message whose content is a list of 2 messages. The first message is of type text and provides instructions about what is to be recognized and returned. The second one is of type image_URL and provides the URL to the image. As you see, the code is very simple for GPT Vision. However, you need to fine-tune the prompt so that it returns and only returns the information you want. Actually, in the following examples, the code is basically the same, just that the prompt is changed. Instead of passing a public image URL as the input, we can also provide the base64 encoded binary content of an image as the input. This is very useful when you don't want to use public image URL for privacy or security issues. To do this, we need to read the binary data of an image and use base64 to encode it. Then pass the encoded string to image_URL, which looks a bit strange, but I assume it's for simplicity and consistency of the API. In the previous example, we just returned general descriptions of the items in an image. Sometimes, we need to get a more detailed description of an item in an image so it can be used for further processing like searching on Amazon or Google Shopping. Actually, we just need to fine-tune the prompt for this purpose as shown here. This time, the identified product description is more detailed and can be used for further processing like searching on Amazon or Google Shopping. With GPT Vision, we can easily recognize text in an image, even handwritten text. I have compared the accuracy roughly with other OCR tools in the market and found the accuracy of GPT Vision is way better than that of the counterparts, even other AI models. Let's recognize this handwritten text, which might not be easy even for humans. Again, we just need to adjust the prompt for the specific purpose. The prompt should be clear and specific enough. The result shows that the accuracy is 100%. I used GPT Vision to recognize some old notes and the accuracy was fantastic. It can even recognize corrections and strike-throughs, which is amazing. Translation is a strong suit of GPT in all large language models, better than Google Translation in most, if not all other translation tools in the market. In our daily lives, we often need to recognize the text on some instructions, menus, or road signs. With proper prompting with GPT Vision, we can perform text recognition and translation at the same time. As shown in this example, the text is recognized and then translated very accurately. In this video, we explored some common use cases of GPT Vision. As demonstrated in our examples, with proper prompting, we can perform various image-related tasks using this powerful tool. And with some simple code, it can be easily integrated with our core service. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content. As a senior software developer, I'm passionate about sharing my thoughts, tutorials, and solutions to promote best practices in software development. See you in the next video.